Okay, we're here on the tree job in Streetsboro, Ohio. I've got the first infected ash tree that we treated 2 weeks ago, and this tree is actually looking pretty good. Some of the leaves are a little damaged. There's some new growth on this one. Not a lot. I've retreated this tree with just a couple of ounces around the base, and just was doing a follow-up on this one. I don't see any beetles on it. You can see some of the wounds that are on this tree to give you an idea of a exit wound. Here's another big one. It's got some dead limbs in it now, and again, there's more wounds there, more wounds here, another wound here. So this tree's been under duress for a while. A couple more wounds here. Up this area here that's really in pretty rough shape. The tree's had some challenges here with the ash borer beetle, emerald ash borer beetle. So here's another one we've treated that's infected with the beetle. And this one is actually in pretty decent shape. Again, we sprayed this a couple weeks ago, and this one seems to be doing okay. Again, no sign of the beetle anywhere, and so we're going to keep an eye on this one's progress. This one here was actually the one in the worst shape. And so now this one has new shoots coming out of it. This one's actually 2 feet tall, with another new little one coming here. This is a typical reaction of an ash tree when it's fighting for its life. The leaves actually look pretty good and healthy. When I first looked at this tree was in rough shape. So I'm pretty happy with the results so far. Again, give you an idea of some of the wounds that are throughout this tree. This thing was pretty riddled. It's all through it. So we are hopeful that our treatment is going to work on this thing. It looks like it's doing its job so far. Here's another ash tree that has been infected. This one has been slow to come back. I came back and pulled some shingles off around the base where they were using it for weed control. There's still some there. I've taken these off and treated around the base, and some of these leaves are a little beat up, but there's also new growth coming right out of the top of this tree, where here's some new growth. Here's some new growth. As you can see, this is the lighter green colored. Again, new growth coming right out of the top of the leaf structure, and so I see that happening throughout the tree now. So it's giving me hope that we can save this tree as well. When I came back and looked at this tree 10 days ago, it was in bad shape. and this thing is slowly but surely looking like it's going to come back and probably survive. Got one other tree here that is not an ash tree, but it's dying, and so what I've done is treated this one with the fertilizer leaf eaters product as well. And this one was in extremely rough shape, and I'm just thrilled to see how healthy certainly half of this tree is. I've done a second treatment with the leaf eaters around the base, and we'll come back and check it in about 2 weeks and see what she looks like. This one again is struggling right now, so we'll keep an eye on the progress. We've got another ash tree here that's in good shape, has not been infected yet, and what we've done is we've treated this tree, and what we're going to do now is monitor to see if the beetles get to this tree. This one now is looking healthy. There's no signs of any beetles in it at this point, so what we've tried to do is keep them from migrating to this tree. Same thing with this tree. This is another ash that has not been infected yet, and we're hoping to keep it that way by treating it with the leaf eaters. And again, we'll keep an eye on the progress on this one over the season to make sure that none of the beetles come to this tree and infect it. So we'll give you an update here in about 2 weeks. Today is June 8th.